Students, after a long interval from today, we all are going to start the online classes. So, I want to remind you all that what chapters we have taught already or you have read already. Up to chapter 4th, we all have finished during the month of April and May, and I hope you also understood the theme taught by us. Today we are going to start chapter 5, and that is exponents and power. This is the new theme to you all. So first of all, you should know what is exponent and what is power. So first of all, I want to make you try to understand what is exponent. Exponent means होता है when a number is multiplied by itself several times. जब कोई नंबर स्वयं एक से अधिक बार मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है, यू कैन से इट कैन बी रिटेन इन द शॉर्ट फॉर्म. तो उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हाउ वी विल राइट हियर. I have tried to make you understand. Suppose that this is 4 and here we have written 5. So how you will read it? You will read it 4 to the power 5. This is the short form. This 4 is called base. ये 4 जो होता है बेस होता है, और 5 जो होता है उसको हम कहते हैं एक्सपोनेंट्स. एंड व्हाट वी विल रीड 4 टू द पावर 5. 4 to the power 5. We will read it 4 to the power 5. Now this is the short form. How will you write it into long form? So you will write it up to 5 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. This is the long time. As I have explained, when a number is multiplied by itself several times, जब कोई नंबर स्वयं का several times multiplication form होता है, then it is called the exponent. This is the base and this is the exponent. ये 5 times है. जितने टाइम्स होते हैं तो वो टाइम्स जो होता है वो एक्सपोनेंट होता है. और इसको हम कैसे रीड करेंगे? We will read 4 to the power 5. Suppose that you have to find out the value of these numbers. What will be the value? So you will multiply the first number to the second number. 4 4 ja 16 and 16 4 ja 64. 64 4 ja you will multiply, because you don't know the table of 64. So you will multiply by 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 6 ja 24 or 1 25. Again 1 4 left, so you will multiply the next 4. 4 6 ja 24, 4 5 ja 20 and 2 carry 22, and 4 2 ja 8 and 2 10. In this way, the value of 4 to the power 5 is 1024. In this way, you can say if any numbers are given. Suppose that I want to say write these numbers in the exponent form. For example, I want to say, write this number in short form. Example तो 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how will you write in short form? This is the long form. When you have to find out the value, then you will write in this form. And if you will have to find out this number in short form, in exponent form, अगर इसको आपको एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिखना है तो दिस इज द बेस, 3 is the base. And how many times have you written? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So it will, you will write the power 4, 3 to the power 4. This is the short form of exponent. ये एक्सपोनेंट का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होगा, इस नंबर का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होगा जिसको हम एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. 4 is exponent, 3 is base, and we will write 3 to the power 4. Understood? Now I want to tell something more. If there is the power of 2, यदि किसी संख्या का पावर 2 है तो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर. इसको स्क्वायर पढ़ते हैं. क्या पढ़ेंगे? पावर 2 इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर. जब पावर 2 होता है तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? पावर 2 इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर. इसको स्क्वायर कहते हैं. इफ देयर इज पावर ऑफ 3, तो वी से पावर 3 इज कॉल्ड क्यूब. इसको हम क्यूब बोलते हैं. जब 3 पावर होगा तो क्यूब और 2 पावर होगा तो स्क्वायर. तो यू शुड रिमेंबर इट. इफ आई से यू कि फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ the given different numbers, so how will you find out? Suppose that I am given, write these questions in short form. Suppose that the first question is given, n into n into n into n. How many times it has written? 3 times. So you will write n to the power 3. That is, you can say n cube. इसको n cube कह सकते हैं. Second one, if it has written 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 many times, so you can write 5 is the base and number of time is its exponent. So here you can write 5 as the exponent. So you say you can write 5 to the power 5. 5 is the base and this 5 is the exponent. If I would say write into the long form, long form में कैसे लिखेंगे? Write these numbers into short form, into long form. So in this way, if here is written 3 to the power 7, so you have to write it 3 into 3 into 3 up to 7 times. How many times? 7 times. This is the long term. If it has written m to the power 5, So you will write m up to 5 times. So this is the short form and this is the long form. On this base, so many questions have been given in your book. You can open your books and you can solve it according to the question. This is the rule to write the questions. Now, next questions, if I say that express in power, next question, express in power notation. Power notation. How will you express it? Suppose that here given 16. So you first of all you have to find the prime factor of 16. 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So here you can see 4 up to 4, 2 up to 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So you will write in power notation 2 is base and number of times 210, it is the power. So this is called the power notation. Understood? So in this way you can open your books and you can solve such type of more questions from your books, and again tomorrow I shall teach something more about this. Thank you.